This is the Quest 3, Meta's latest VR headset. But is it any better than the Quest 2? The answer is yes. The Meta Quest 3 is currently the best standalone consumer-oriented VR headset that you can buy, with a slimmer design, sharper display, more powerful processor, full color pass-through for mixed reality gaming, and better controllers. The Quest 3 is clearly a significant improvement over the 3-year-old Quest 2. The box contains the main headset, 2 controllers, pre-installed foam facial interface, 2 wrist straps with alkaline batteries for the Touch Plus controllers, an 18-watt power adapter, and a USB Type-C charging cable for the headset. Next, let's see what the headset has to offer. It has 2 LCD displays, one for your right eye and one for your left eye, with a per eye resolution of 2064 by 2208. The maximum refresh rate is 120 Hz, which is crucial for reducing motion sickness sometimes caused by VR. You can also get a lower refresh rate options of 72 Hz, 80 Hz, and 90 Hz. And most importantly, the display provides a resolution of 25 ppd. Now, what is ppd? It stands for pixel per degree, an important metric in the world of virtual reality. Amongst consumer headsets, the Quest 3 has the highest ppd, which means sharper visual, finer details, better text legibility, and an elevated experience for whatever content you're viewing. The headset also has a power button, a volume rocker, a 3.5mm audio jack, and a Type-C port for charging and data transfer. Meta also claims that the speakers have been improved, apparently 40% better than those of the Meta Quest 2. Now, let's talk about the most important aspect, battery life. Inside the headset, you get a 4985 mAh equivalent battery that charges up to 18 watt speed. This single 5000 mAh battery will give you about 2 hours of usage on a single charge if you're using mixed reality or playing games. But if you're watching videos, it lasts a little bit longer, around 2.5 hours. So charging the headset from 0 to 100 takes you a little over 2 hours. Next, let's take a look at the headset specs. It is powered by Snapdragon XR Gen 2, a 4nm processor based on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. It also features an Adreno 740 GPU. The headset also comes with 8GB of RAM, and the base variant also has 128GB of storage, though there is a 512GB option too. Look, considering the size of the games and apps that you're going to download, I think you should prefer the higher storage variant, because if you're planning to buy it, you need to play some good games too. Of course, with the Meta Quest 3, you also get 2 controllers called the Touch Plus controllers. They feature haptic feedback and a cool ergonomic design. You can wear them with a strap, and apparently this strap has been improved compared to the one on the Quest 2. Another important improvement in the Quest 3 is the IPD range, which goes from 58mm to 71mm. Now you may be wondering, what is IPD? It is the interpupillary distance, or simply the distance between your pupils. Mine is 64mm, so I'm going to set it to 64, and this is got the best focus. You can also use your phone to check your IPD range. Once you turn it on, you can actually see the real world with UI elements suspended in your view. There is also a taskbar where you can see profile and app, which you can access very easily. The Quest 3 also has a 4-camera fusion system for controller tracking, 2 on the front pill and 2 on the side. And the controller tracking is really well done. For pass-through mixed reality experiences, there are 2 front-facing RGB cameras. There's also front-facing depth sensors, gyroscopes, and accelerometers. The entire front panel is packed with sensors. For hand tracking, it uses Oculus's Insight technology. Now that's enough about the tech. Now let's talk about the real-world use case and actually how it performs. First off, the Meta Quest 3 actually takes your entertainment experience to the next level. I personally found it amazing. Look, now I'm off to play some games. Until then, you make sure that you edit this video well and make me look good. Chalo, bye.